Welcome back to my channel Ritz Creativity. Today what I'll be teaching you are some bows how to make and scrunchies. So definitely you must have bought this. As ladies, we all do buy all these things. We buy for ourselves, we buy for our daughters, and they are a bit expensive, and it's quite simple to make it. So as you can see over here, I have made quite a lot of bows and many scrunchies, and they are very easy to make. I will also be telling you the different uses, like you can see over here. I have put ribbons, so I'll also be telling you how we can make these bows and use them. So please do watch the video. A cloth which I want for making the bow. This is around 17 inches and this is 8 inches. And there's another piece here which is 8 inches by about 1.5 inch. So the greatness of this bow is that we don't have to sew it at all. It is a no sew bow. We are just going to use an iron and do it. So first we are going to fold the edges. Side also. Now we'll keep this on the side. Let's do this. We have to fold this also. Okay, so this is the way we have to fold. Now let's do the next part. After ironing it, it's very simple. We have to just hold it. This is the way I'll show you once again. Now we have to just hold it and do like this from the center. Now what we are going to do, there's some just clips. We're going to put this just to hold it in place. See how pretty it's looking. Now since this is visible to us, so we have made this portion. This is just a cover which we're going to cover it. So I'll just apply some Fevicol. As I told you, no sewing. I'm just going to cover this. see how much you need. You can cut off the remaining portion. Again, we'll put some Fevicol on it. And my bow is ready. See how simple it is to make. Now, in case you like this bow as it is, you can use this. Or what you can do is, you can also, I have made a smaller bow. Similar to this, it's just a smaller size. So what I am going to do is, I am going to place this on top. See, it looks even prettier when it is on top. So let's place it. Applying some more Fevicol on it. And just placing the smaller bow on top. And my bow is ready to be used. Friends, I had taught you how to make a bow like this and this smaller one. These are the different types of bows I have made. Here I have used 2 bows and attached them with a little ribbon. Here there are different materials that I've used to attach. This is a single one. This I taught you only. And these are again double. I have just made it bigger but done it the same way. Now I'm also going to tell you how these bows can be used in our house. So as you can see, this was my hairband, and in this hairband I have attached the bow, and we can wear this hairband now and it will look beautiful on the hair. So similarly this bow I had taught you, and see, I have attached that bow to the hairband, and how beautiful. This is an ordinary hairband. See how beautiful the bow is looking on the hairband. Now some other uses also. Let me tell you what I have done to this bow. I have attached some ribbon. Alright, here also and in this one also. Now I'll tell you how to use it. Just attaching this bow with the ribbon I showed you on the curtain. Okay, it is done. Here's the ribbon. I've attached it. And see how pretty the bow is looking on the curtain. Now this one also, you see, I have already attached this one with the ribbon, and see how pretty the curtain is looking, so beautiful. My tissue curtain is looking even more better with the help of this bow. So doesn't it look nice? You must try it out. So this is another way to use the bow, friends. This is the dress that I have made, and I have attached a bow, the bow I showed you, on this dress, and see, it enhances the beauty of the dress. So the dress even looks more gorgeous after putting a small bow on it. So do try it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Another way to use the bow is to put it on your hair. See, I have put it on my hair and it's looking so beautiful. I already taught you how to make these bows. So now I'll be teaching you how to make these scrunchies or rubber bands. This one has a bow in it. Alright. And this bow I have already taught. And this one I have just tied a cloth piece over here. And this is a plain one. So I'll teach you how to make this now. So for this we need any cloth which is of 15 inches by 4 inches. So after that we are going to fold the cloth. So let's do. So this scrunchie is completed. See how beautiful it looks. There's elastic in it, so you can easily tie it. Now what I have done in this one, I have made it the similar way, and then I've just taken a cloth. I've just taken a cloth, folded it, and then just to cover this, because this is showing here also, see, you can see. So I have just put this cloth on top and just tied it like this, just to cover that, and it looks beautiful. You can also do this. See how pretty it's looking now. And in this bow, what I have done is I've made it the similar way, and I've made a small bow like I taught you. I've made the bow and I've attached it in this. In this also we can make a small bow, and we can just put the bow here. So then the scrunchie looks even better. So do try it out and comment and tell me how did your bow and your scrunchie come out. And please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.